Hi, I'm Louise Elizabeth and welcome to Every Bit Helps. Today I'm going to show you how to earn with Brave Browser and how I made 165 basic attention tokens in the past month. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you do then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button and share if you feel that others may benefit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through the benefits of Browse, how to install it, how you can actually earn with Brave, and how content creators can earn tips with Brave as well. I'll also be taking you through how to import your existing bookmarks from the likes of Chrome into your Brave browser. So just a little bit of information about Brave and about the basic attention token. Now, they were founded by the creator of JavaScript and the co-founder of Firefox Mozilla. The basic attention token itself is actually an ERC20 token and it runs on the Ethereum blockchain. So Brave is a fast and it's an open source web browser that's built on Chromium. And Brave is on a mission to fix the web by giving users a safer, faster and better browsing experience while growing support for content creators through a new attention-based ecosystem of rewards. So how does that work? So basically within the BAT ecosystem, advertisers give publishers BAT tokens based on the measured attention of users. This attention is anonymously monitored by Brave, and Brave users also receive BAT tokens for participating. So whether or not you are a user of Brave or a content creator, both can earn these basic attention tokens. So first up, what are the benefits? Well, as you can see here, they state that you have private and secure and fast browsing with Brave. One of the handy things about the Brave browser is the fact that it's built on Chromium, which essentially means that you don't have to learn a new different type of technology, and everything will be very similar to the likes of Chrome. And it has all the same features and the different types of interfaces and components built into it. Now, I personally found out about the Brave browser when I was taking advantage of the free crypto that you can earn through the Coinbase Earn site. And one of the things that you have to do is you have to learn about the different types of cryptos. Now, since then, I've actually started using it in place of Chrome, which was my default browser previously, and I've seen a lot of benefits around this. And one of the really good things about the Brave browser is the fact that I'm actually from the UK and I constantly get bombarded with pop-up ads and videos appearing when I'm trying to read articles on the likes of the Daily Mail. And I'm sure it's the same for CNN in the US, for example. So I'm just going to head over to my Chrome browser now. And in Chrome, you can see that I automatically have a video automatically playing when I do launch up the site. And I have loads of different ads that are appearing on the site. So it's quite distracting when I'm trying to read an article, for example. But if I just take you across to the Brave browser, you'll see that those ads have actually been removed from the site. As well, the autoplay has also been blocked on the website. So it's really handy so that it doesn't distract me away from what I'm actually trying to do when I am browsing. Now, that's not ideal for me as a YouTuber and content creator, as I earn money by you watching the ads. But if you are a content creator, then Brave actually gives you the chance to earn back some of the lost revenue. As within their inbuilt wallet, you can tip your favorite content providers or publishers with the BAT tokens, as long as they are signed up or you are signed up and verified, which I'm going to show you shortly. But there are a whole host of verified Brave and BAT publishers, such as the likes of The Guardian, DuckDuckGo, Washington Post and CNN, just to name a few. So how do you install Brave? Well, it's a very simple download process. All you need to do is click onto the download in the top right hand corner here. And from here, it will automatically pick up which operating system that you're currently using. Now I'm using Mac, so you can see here that it will allow me to download from Mac. However, Windows and Linux are also available. Also, the Brave browser is available for the likes of your tablet or your phones as well. And when you launch up your Brave browser, it provides you with a bit of information in relation to how Brave is actually performing for you. So I installed this probably about 6 weeks ago now, and it states here that I've had 486 trackers that have been blocked. So that's people that are obviously trying to collect your data. I've then had over 28,000 different ads that have been blocked. I have 91 HTTPS upgrades, so with relation to that, it actually will try and put you onto a secure site wherever that's possible, and it gives me an estimation of the amount of minutes that I've saved just by using the Brave browser. So how do you as a user actually earn rewards by using Brave? Well, they have something called Brave Rewards. And what you can do is you can earn a certain amount of basic attention token by watching ads. And you can customize this as well. So if I just click onto the settings here, you can state how many ads you'd like to be presented to you and that you would like to watch. And you will then have the ability to accept that ad or you can deny it. So it won't interrupt your browsing as you're going along. It then obviously has that inbuilt wallet in here as well. So you can see the amount of basic attention tokens that you will be receiving by watching those ads. Now, obviously you're not going to make a huge amount by watching these ads, but it's certainly a lot more than you would normally get, which is obviously nothing. So it does create a new revenue stream for people who do want to watch ads and be marketed to. You also have the ability to auto contribute, so you do have the ability to provide and support publishers and content creators, and it will set a monthly payment amount for the kind of the attention that you're paying to certain different websites. But those websites do have to ensure that as a content creators, they have signed up with Brave. So how do those content creators or content providers actually sign up with Brave? Now, just going back to the Brave website, which is obviously brave.com, you can see here that you've got a content creators section here. If I just click onto overview. Now from this screen, you have the ability to sign up for a creator's account here. So you can earn more for content that you publish to the web, and your viewers who use the Brave browser can contribute money to you while surfing the web through this reward system. Once you're logged in, you can obviously see any kind of pending payouts. So you can see for the last month, I've actually earned nearly 165 basic attention tokens. You can get those different types of rewards through different types of things. So you have, obviously you have your tips, but you also have things like referrals. Now what you can do is you can actually earn $5 worth of BAT just by providing a referral link to your friends, and if they use that for 30 days. What I'll do is I'll put my link in the summary below so that you can use that if you wish. And if you do, you're more than welcome to share your referral code in the comments below. In terms of the supported wallets in the basic attention token, you do also have the likes of the Exodus wallet, which does support that. And here is where you will also set up your Twitter account, your website, and your YouTube channel so that you can earn tips from those different types of social media links. And as I said, because the Brave browser is very similar to Chrome and obviously built on that Chromium platform, the good thing is that you can actually import your existing bookmarks across from Chrome. So what that means is that you don't have to kind of duplicate everything and recreate those links. So what I'm going to do now is simply show you how to export your bookmarks from Chrome and import them into Brave. So from your Chrome browser, what you can do is click onto the 3 vertical dots in the top right hand corner here. And then if you go to Bookmarks, Bookmark Manager, you then click on the 3 dots in the top right hand corner again, just by this bookmarks section, and then go to Export Bookmarks. And from here, you can obviously save this as however you want, whatever name you want that to be, and the format will be to HTML text. And then if you click on to save. And we're just going to head over to our Brave browser now. Okay, and if you click onto the 3 horizontal lines in the top right hand corner and go to Bookmarks and go to Import Bookmarks and Settings. Okay, and the one that we're going to be selecting from here is the HTML file. And then if you click onto Choose File, and you're selecting that file that you've just exported. And obviously you can then select to show your bookmark bar. And very easily there, we've now obviously imported across our bookmarks. So it's just a nice seamless process there. So that was a very brief overview of the Brave browser and how you can earn with it, both as a user and a content creator. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you do, then please give me a like. And if you'd like to see more tips, reviews and tutorials, then please head over to my website at www.everybithelps.co.uk or hit the subscribe button. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.